Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change text to any custom text using custom code in WP Hotel booking card page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WP Hotel booking plugin, and this is our hotel card page. For this plugin we are using, so we are going to change any text to custom text using custom code in card page for WP Hotel booking plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. So by using custom code we are going to target only WP Hotel booking plugin and also target only card page for this plugin. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see check if we are in WP Hotel booking plugin. So this is our plugin name. In cPanel in plugin folder, so you can add your plugin folder name if you want to target any other plugin. Now you see plugin folder name WP-Hotel-booking. So this plugin name exists in plugin folder in cPanel in file manager. And then you see is page. So this is our page slug hotel-card. Now go to card page, and then you see slug. So you can add your slug or URL in custom code. Now you see hotel-card. Now back to code. Now you see, and then you see text capacity, and then change to or translate to space. So you can add your text here, and then you can change according to requirement. Now go to card page. Now you see capacity. So we are going to change this text. So first you can find actual text. Right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open, and then you see capacity. So this is our actual format. So you can use in custom code actual format. Now close. Now back to code. So we added capacity, and we are going to change into space. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So by using this custom code we are going to target WP Hotel booking plugin and card page for this plugin. Now snippet created and saved. Now go to card page and refresh the page. And then you see capacity text change to space text in card page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.